Okay, well, things that will stimulate adoption are obviously regulation, and for example, in a number of areas, the US government, for example, the EPA, are working closely with the industry to look at novel and new methods of risk assessment for agricultural commodities and products in that market space. So regulation can really accelerate use and adoption of these technologies. Successful case studies also build confidence in the industry, and we've seen a number of really positive projects which have been successful and help stimulate more progress in the sector. For example, gathering data sets from multiple companies in order to anonymize and aggregate that data and make it useful for all of the partners in the project has really shown the way and helped people to feel that there's really good opportunities with data and AI in the food sector. Digital transformation is really happening rapidly now with the whole COVID pandemic. So companies have realized that data is key to understanding their operations where access is limited for their staff. So they're really turning to data and analytics to really understand and optimize their facilities and their marketplaces. And so things are changing rapidly, and that's really stimulating growth in the market. AI in the food and beverage market is predicted to grow tenfold over the next 10 or so years to around $30 billion per annum. So it's already happening and is going to explode over the next decade or so. The kind of things that impede the adoption of AI and data in the food sector are, sparse data or low quality data. That data needs to be well maintained and structured. So companies are now putting efforts into making sure that the data they have is well structured, and data that they're going to collect in the future is ready for machine learning and these technologies to be absorbed. But there are tools out there that can help with cleaning data and structuring data, and we're doing a lot of that with companies to help them get value out of their historic data and to put a plan in place to gather data in the right format going forward.